So beautiful, soulful plate of multiple colors packed with nutrition. So I'll be sharing this delicious recipe of Desi style chicken shawarma salad, and you will love the flavors. Little twist from my side, get the flavors is bang on. You try this recipe and let me know. Hey guys, I'm Subhankari and I welcome you all to my channel Su's Food Corner English, and I hope you all are doing great in your lives. If you are new to my page, to subscribe to my page and do not forget to tap the bell button. Thank you all for loving my channel so much and liking my videos. Let's begin with this awesome shawarma recipe. For this delicious salad, I have taken a boneless chicken. It's thigh piece and that gives a very nice taste. If you do not have thigh piece, then it's okay. Around 500 grams, and I have cut it into small chunks. Thick curd I have taken around 1/4 cup. This goes in. Basically we'll marinate this chicken, and I have taken here ginger garlic paste around 2 tablespoons. Lemon juice I have taken here around half a teaspoon. And to this I'll be adding some salt and few spices. That's coriander powder 1 teaspoon, some red chilli powder, turmeric powder 1/4 teaspoon, black pepper powder, and I have taken red chilli flakes around half teaspoon. All this goes in, and to this I'll be adding olive oil around 2 tablespoons. And for the beautiful color you can add paprika, and as we are making Desi style, I have added a Kashmiri red chilli powder that gives the nice red hues for this recipe. So here I'll mix it and marinate it for around 2 hours. That's very important. This helps in absorption of the flavors, the colors, and the taste comes out to be really great. So cover it and marinate it in room temperature. You can also keep it in fridge, so it completely depends upon your wish. Here I have wrapped up with cling film, and this goes on my kitchen counter for around 2 hours. And meanwhile I'll be showing the recipe of making the sauce, the delicious shawarma sauce, and the salad. For salad I have taken here some chopped cabbage. These are the inner part of the cabbage, and the green ones are the upper layer. So I'll be adding it in different stages. And some cucumber I have taken, some tomatoes, all this depend upon your taste, and some capsicum, onions, chopped ginger, and green chili. Basically this all depends upon your flavors and the amount you are making. So apart from that, I'll be making this shawarma sauce. So for that I have taken a hung curd around half a cup. I had taken around 300 grams of curd, and nicely I had just kept it in a strainer so that the excess moisture that comes out, and also wrap it in a muslin cloth for around half an hour. So this is very thick and creamy. To it I'll be adding 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, garlic cloves too. You can add a little bit smaller size, but I love the flavor of garlic, so I've added a large size garlic cloves. White sesame seeds around 2 tablespoons goes in. 2 green chili goes in. Oregano, dried oregano around 1/4 teaspoon, that goes in. And black pepper powder 1/4 teaspoon goes in. Olive oil goes in around 2 tablespoons. Salt as per taste around 1/4 teaspoon, and 3 tablespoons of water I have added to make a nice smooth paste. And make sure this sauce should be thick, it should not be thin. That's why we have added the hung curd, and it's deliciously done. Perfect match to the Desi style chicken shawarma. And now let's prepare the chicken. It has been marinating for 2 hours. In a nice cast iron pan, I have added 2 tablespoons of olive oil. You can add regular oil, and in high flame I need to sear this for around 2 to 3 minutes. Searing in high flame makes sure the outer surface of this chicken is nicely seared. 3 to 4 minutes on high flame, and then give it a mix. You can see the difference. And now reduce the flame to medium, cover it and let it cook for 4 to 5 minutes. After 4 to 5 minutes we'll take off the lid, and the chicken will release enough moisture. Now it needs to be cooked for more 5 to 6 minutes on open flame, and the flame is already on medium. And after 4 to 5 minutes you can see chicken is almost done. The moisture will dry up, and the 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil that we had added, this will start to roast this chicken. Maximum it takes around 15 minutes if the chicken is nicely marinated. It's done, you can see. Now I'll be using 2 spatula, and I'll just small pieces of this chicken. We want it to be semi mashed, exactly like that we get in the shops. So after 2 minutes I'll add the inner layer of the cabbage, onions, green chilies, and chopped ginger goes in. Again I'll use the spatula to mix it, and it's done here. You can see nicely it has been mixed. And for the final touch, I'll reduce the flame to lowest, cover it for just 2 to 3 minutes, and it's done here. The moisture, the vapor does the trick. Switch off the flame. It's completely ready. You can see the color. And I'll wait till it cools down, and there will make this delicious salad. After it has cooled down, I will add the chopped cucumber, capsicum, the outer layer of the cabbage, that's soft, tomatoes and the shawarma sauce that we had made that goes in. Give it a mix. You can add all these ingredients as per your wish. I love the flavor of the sauce that we had made, and after mixing, just a little twist to make this desi style is that I'll be adding some black salt and chaat powder. As the title says, it's desi style chicken shawarma salad. So that's it for the special Indian touch, and it's ready now. Now I'll serve this delicious tempting chicken salad, lots and lots of veggies with the chicken marinated soft and perfectly done. I have tried this recipe many more times and it turns out to be awesome. Do try this, and this is actually the base of many more recipes. Stay tuned, I'll be sharing this. And now it's time for the comment of the day. Today's comment is from Mubaraka Rahmat. She writes, "Ma'am, your recipe is just lip smacking. It was my first time with mutton and I tried with your recipe. Everyone loved it so much. Thank you so much. Now every time I use your recipe for mutton and also many other recipes from your channel." Thank you so much, Mubaraka, for your beautiful words. I'm so glad you love the recipe of my mutton, especially in cooker. So thank you again for all your lovely words. Stay safe and stay connected. And for today's recipe, this delicious desi style chicken shawarma. Try this, we'll love the flavors. And if you have liked the video, do give it a thumbs up, share with your family and friends. Do not forget to subscribe to my page. You can also follow So's Food Corner in Instagram and Facebook. See you in next video. Till then, stay safe, love life and happy fooding.